I'm Akshay. I made Lego activity. I will show you what I made. This is a truck I made with the Legos. Here you can see these are lights and these are all wheels. These are all leaves. These are lights. And this is what it is. This is a trailer. And this has 3 wheels. I'll count, then I will tell you. Here you can see 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 wheels because trucks are so strong. And here are 4. 4 wheels control the trucks. If it has 2 wheels here, 3, then it will be 70 wheels. Here you can see this is a house. You can open it like this when there is just little weather. I made a Legos. Yeah, I will show you. This is a house. And this is a tractor. It moves flowers when he need. And this is tractor's trailer. Here you can see this is a long.
Yeah, you made so many things, right?
Yes, I made long tree like real.
Okay.
And this is chicken. These are his baby eggs.
Oh.
And this is his blue nest.
Okay.
This is a unicorn. It has white color legs, and this is golden one. This is his horn, and these are all his eyes. This is his tail. This is a carrot, short carrot. Here you can see these are leaves, and this is a
Half carrot. You cut it?
carrot. Yes, I cut it.
Okay. Other one, what you made? Oh, this is a cloud.
No,
Right?
this is this. Here you can see this is a jet plane. It takes one cargo at his fence. I will show you. See, this is a cargo. We should put like this. You can put more 2 cargos if you want to. And here, this is a cloud.
Oh. Show me.
This is a cloud. It has his eyes.
Oh,
And-
cloud can see.
Yes, cloud can see, but it couldn't see because it's not living. Legos are playing things. They're not
Yeah,
living
correct.
things. This is speaker. It's earphone. We can put it like this. Like real one, big one. Like this.
All
Like
right.
this one
Yeah,
speaker.
got it.
And this is a cargo plane. Here you
Oh.
can see. It carries lots of cargo.
Lots of things, right?
Yes, and cargo so many. When the rain begins, he's strong. He could go with his cargo. 100 cargo. He didn't accident. If he accident, he topped his wings. Then he lands. Then he fix with his
Okay.
fixer.
All right. And what is this?
This is a guitar. You can play with like this, la la la. And these are all black screws. And DJ, singer, batteries. Green and red. And this is guitar. You can hear. You can do like this. These are so like opticals like speed breakers. These are all speakers.
Okay, all right.
And
So
this
it
is
was
a transistor.
transistor, right?
This is when we press this button.
It's getting started, right?
Yes, it's getting start. You can put it like this, low, if you want to talk to anyone. This is speaker, and this is pause. You can pause with this. You can collect this.
You can change the channel, right?
Yes.
Okay, all right. It's very nice that you did so many activities, and you made so many things with the Legos. Here I can see, right?
And this is power light shop. You can collect power lights. They fall.
Okay, all right.
And this is a horse. It could be
Yeah.
in the farm.
Yeah, and this is I think it's a field and it's a windmill, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
this is farm. And these are all flowers.
Okay, it's a field, different types of field. Okay,
Yes.
all
and
right.
these are all flowers.
It was very nice activities and
Tractor can pull with this. Anything he
yeah.
wants to do.
Okay,
He can make juices, flower juices. If anyone's going to drink.
okay, all right.
And
So
door.
okay, this is a door. So you are going to use in your house.
Yes.
All right. So fix
I
it later.
I will fix you how to fix. What you need to do like this and this here. Then put this away. Then put this.
Okay, all right, got
Then-
it.
You want to do here. Then you have to put here. Here. House is finished.
Okay.
You can open like this.
All right, very good, fantastic.
If you like this channel, click it and watch it and do the bye bye.
Yeah, so it was
Take
very
care.
lovely activities. Thank
It
you so
was-
much.
I have so many activities. If you want to watch this channel, watch it. I will show you more. Thank you so much. Bye.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.